What is real-time traffic monitoring? Real-time traffic monitoring uses cameras and advanced technologies to identify and detect vehicles and people in real time. With such a solution, for example, you can get the exact position of the vehicle where it's in the exact time. You can get also the classification of the vehicles. You can get the count of the vehicles and people on a certain location in real time. In this video, we're going to discuss about 5 cases and also relative benefits that companies and city council can get from such type of solution. Before starting with the video, hi, welcome to PySource. I'm Sergio. I'm a computer vision consultant, developer, and course instructor. At PySource, we help companies to improve their process efficiency, reliability, and scalability with the use of computer vision and artificial intelligence. Let's now dive into the video. Let's start with the first point, traffic flow management. This is one of the most requests that we get from companies to analyze the flow of the traffic. What can we do with this technology? We can in real time analyze the flow of the traffic by counting how many vehicles are crossing a certain area. We can classify the vehicles. We can understand if the vehicle is a car, if it's a van, if it's a bus, or even more advanced classifications depending on your country. So if you have a custom classification of the vehicles that you use in your country, of course, this technology can be trained to understand the type of classification that you use in your specific case. In addition to this, we can analyze the flow of the vehicles. In the case of intersections, we can define multiple zones and understand when a vehicle is crossing from area A to area B, area C, and so on. Useful information that can be used for urban planning, for example, or to have some dynamic traffic management in real time, because all of this, we have to say, can be done in real time, and we can understand if there is some congestion of the traffic, if there are accidents, and so on. Also, this information will be used, now we move to the second point, is smart signaling control. Thanks to having all of these data in real time, we can also improve the flow of the traffic by having smart signaling, for example, to the traffic lighting, so we can decide based on how many vehicles are waiting, for example, on different traffic lighting of the intersections, how long should the green light be on one side or the other. So this can be very smart, and the vehicles will be detected in real time. And based on how many vehicles are there, the traffic light will change the behavior for a very smart traffic management to improve the efficiency and the flow of the traffic. The third point would be accident detection and emergency response. Through the real-time monitoring solution, we can identify accidents in real time or car breakdowns. So, for example, if on the highway there is some accident or a car breakdown, the car stops right away in the middle of the road, we can have a real-time alert. So this will turn into a very fast response. So the real-time alert, for example, could be directed to the emergency services. So faster response, which will give as benefit improved security, but also efficiency, like the traffic will be directed to another area to avoid congestion, for example. Let's now move to the fourth point, which is parking management. Through the real-time monitoring, we can have a map of the parking spots, so we can direct the driver to where is the specific free parking spot. Because now we have some solution that can say in these huge, let's say, parking spots, there are like 3 spots, but if there is not any monitoring system, like still you have to look for the spot, and it might take time. So through this, the driver can be directed either through some application that can be connected to the parking, some application with the map which will show the direction and the free parking spots, or some signaling that might be already available that will be updated in real time based on the free parking location. This can be very useful in, I can say, shopping centers, for example, where it's often very hard to find a free parking spot. And the fifth point is traffic data for urban planning. We discussed a bit about this at the beginning where we were discussing about traffic flow. In this case, the information can be saved into a database so that the urban planner can use this for insights to understand peak hours, common routes that are used from the vehicles in order to build new road and new infrastructure. And these are the 5 most common use cases and benefits that you can get from real-time traffic monitoring. If you have a company or city council and you want to know how you can benefit from this service, you can contact us at pisource.com to set a discovery call. If you have any other questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below. This is all for this video. See you in the next one.